G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Happy New Year. This is the US crude oil price update. As you can see here, since our last update, the price has come back and continued on its downtrend. It did break up out of this channel on the 4-hour chart and the hourly chart. You can see there it was in a bit of an uptrend, although on the hourly chart it's broken through onto the downside of that ascending channel, and it's in alignment with the CCI as well. You'll notice both the Stochastic and the CCI on the daily are still in decline. On the 4-hourly, the Stochastic has bounced off the oversold territory, and we may see some further potential upside in the medium term, although the CCI is still showing a pretty sharp decline to the downside. On the hourly chart, the Stochastic has broken up through the overbought and potentially going to come back down again and retrace back down to the downside. So it looks like a potential shorting environment. There's a bit of a double top here on the 4-hour chart. You can barely see it on the hourly and the daily. So take more short positions if anything. Although there may be some, this area might be a bit of a resistance support area. So we may see that continuing to the bounce after a bit of a retracement back to the downside. So yeah, that is a potential pivot point there. Although on the shorter time frame, the hourly at least, we may see some further downside on the price chart there as well, especially if it breaks down through this CCI and the Stochastic shows further declines. So take predominantly shorts, and maybe that's also validated by this double top as well. That's always a case where we see a double top, it's usually going to fall off from there. Okay, to understand how to properly average down, refer to the playlist at the end of this video and get a better understanding how to average down without using stop losses. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Prices are already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.